People often ask me about, my diabetes diagnosis and, what did I do to deal with it. I felt as though, this is part of getting older. We heard these stories before, you get older, you're supposed to get some form of chronic disease. And there was almost a surrender until the vision loss. It was like a wake-up call and say, you know what, if I'm going to have to lose this war of health, it's not going to be without a battle. I went to my computer and Googled, reversing diabetes. And I was just hoping to get a glimpse in what's in the universe of slowing down the progression of, how could I slow down my eye loss? How could I slow down the nerve damage? How do I slow it down? But when I started to see the R term used over and over again, reversal, 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 and I started reading some of the stories, I said, you know what, something may be to this. And that is when I started the journey of saying, you know what, it's no more living with, it was about reversing, and I moved in that direction. 3 weeks after that, my eyesight cleared up. My ophthalmologist said, what did you do? What happened here? Because she told me to turn in my driver's license. She stated that you are no longer legally able to drive, And 3 months after, following the diet, my blood pressure normalized. My A1C went down to a 5.7 to a pre-diabetes level. The ulcer went away. The nerve damage in my hands and feet went away. The numbness in my thigh went away. It was just amazing, that how fast the body responded.
It was never my DNA, it was my dinner. Mother joined me at the age of 80, 15 years as a diabetic, 7 years on insulin, 2 months going whole food, plant-based, threw her insulin away.
I'm happier now. Yes, I'm happier now, and I learned a lot to know that I don't have to eat all that meat and all those unnecessary things that I was eating if it wasn't for my wellness, it was horrible for me to be eating like that. I would be bloated, and I would feel uncomfortable. That's the best thing I could ever did for myself. Yes.
The body is like saying, I want to heal you, but every time I try to, you're making sure that you give me more poison to prevent me from doing my job. And all I did was get out of my body's way.